Pork chop, you know you too big for that damn motorcycle. Look at it. He just folds his ass up there. Just folds up on that damn motorcycle. Look at this. I like that shirt and looking more like Barney, you know. Hey, look at this. Oh, Lord. Ride the damn pork chop. Ride it. Look at this. Boy, look like Barney, you know. Yeah, the frame, the steering wheel column, all the rims, everything been on that motherfucker. I know it been. Y'all gonna need a new motorcycle. Pork chop done wore that one out. Look at that. And the back tire about to go flat. Look at that. Lord. Ride it then, pork chop. Look at that. Oh, look. Hey, y'all remember get a new motorcycle.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
Holy shit.